A huge, delicious investment has largely been absent from the menus of many investors. This delightful dish is called Chef's Warehouse, ticker symbol CHEF. It's a premier distributor of specialty food and center-of-the-plate products in the United States, the Middle East, and Canada, focusing on serving the specific needs of chefs who own and operate high-end restaurants and fine dining establishments. Its extensive selection of distinctive and hard-to-find specialty food products, combined with its product knowledge and exceptional customer service, sets it apart from larger traditional broadline food service distributors. The product portfolio is vast and diverse, comprising over 88,000 SKUs from more than 4,000 different suppliers. Its offerings include gourmet foods and ingredients of the highest grade, quality, or style, such as artisan charcuterie, specialty cheeses, unique oils and vinegars, truffles, caviar, chocolate, and pastry products. In addition to specialty food products, an extensive line of center-of-the-plate products are offered, ranging from custom-cut beef, seafood, and hormone-free poultry to broadline food products like cooking oils, butter, eggs, milk, and flour. By offering a wide selection of both distinctive and hard-to-find products, together with center-of-the-plate proteins and staple broadline food products, there's enough differentiation from competitors while enabling its customers to utilize it as their primary food service distributor. Chef's Warehouse has a long history of growth and expansion, dating back to its formation in 1985. Since then, it has expanded its distribution network, product selection, and customer base both organically and through acquisitions. Revenues have grown significantly, from approximately $1.1 billion in 2020 to $3.8 billion in 2024. This growth is attributed to customer service, the sales team, and the consolidation of the fragmented specialty food service distribution industry. In recent years, the company has completed 16 acquisitions, which have increased its penetration in existing markets, expanded its footprint into new markets, and enhanced its product capabilities. The upfront cash purchase prices for these acquisitions totaled more than $326.2 million, which were funded with cash generated from operations and borrowings under the company's existing credit facilities. These strategic acquisitions have played a key role in growth and expansion, enabling it to increase its market share and improve its product offerings. Chef's Warehouse serves more than 50,000 core customer locations across 23 primary geographic markets in the United States, the Middle East, and Canada. It maintains collaborative relationships with thousands of chefs, acting as a critical marketing arm and route to market for many of its suppliers. With a sales force of approximately 980 professionals and 49 distribution centers, the company provides service 6 days a week in many of its service areas, utilizing its fleet of delivery trucks to fill customer orders. The company's direct-to-consumer business, including its Allen Brothers mail and e-commerce platform, also enables it to market certain center-of-the-plate products directly to consumers. The reason Chef's Warehouse is competitive comes down to its leading position in the specialty food distribution industry, its expansive product offering, and its critical route to market for specialty food suppliers, leading to it retaining a loyal customer base. Expertise in logistics and distribution, as well as its proven management team, have also contributed to its success and its expected continued growth and expansion in the specialty food service distribution industry. The management team has a deep understanding of the industry and a proven track record of success. With collective experience of more than 90 years, the company's founders and senior management are experienced operators who are passionate about the company's future. Chef's Warehouse senior management team is comprised of experienced professionals with expertise in a wide range of functional areas, including finance and accounting, sales and marketing, operations, information technology, legal, and human resources. This team has demonstrated the ability to grow the business through various economic environments and is well equipped to navigate the challenges and opportunities of the specialty food service distribution industry. Chef's Warehouse believes that substantial organic growth opportunities exist in its current markets through increased penetration of its existing customers and the addition of new customers. To achieve this growth, it intends to sell more products to its existing customers, By increasing the breadth and depth of its product selection and improving the efficiency of its sales professionals, focus will also extend to weekly sales and gross profit contribution from each of its core customers. By increasing the number of unique products it distributes to its customers, the company aims to further penetrate its existing customer base and expand its market share. In addition to increasing penetration with existing customers, the plan is to expand its customer base within its existing markets. Chef's Warehouse serves more than 50,000 core customer locations in the United States, Middle East, and Canada, and believes that it has the opportunity to continue to gain market share in its existing markets by offering an extensive selection of specialty food products, as well as center-of-the-plate proteins, produce, and traditional broadline staple food products. The company also aims to improve its operating margins by leveraging its investments in facilities and information technology platforms, as well as improving efficiencies in its general and administrative functions. By maintaining its focus on realizing efficiencies and economies of scale in purchasing, warehousing, distribution, and general and administrative functions, Chef's Warehouse believes that it will be able to achieve continued improvements in its operating margin over time. Another key element of the company's growth strategy is to pursue selective acquisitions that will increase its penetration in existing markets, expand its footprint into new markets, and enhance its product capabilities. Throughout its nearly 40-year history, the company has successfully identified, consummated, and integrated multiple strategic acquisitions and believes that it will be able to improve the operations and overall profitability of each acquired company by leveraging its sourcing relationships, implementing its tested Salesforce training techniques and metrics, and installing improved warehouse management and information systems. Chef's Warehouse distributes its specialty food products to over 50,000 distinct core customer locations, from distribution centers located in its primary markets, which include New York, Washington, D.C., Los Angeles, San Francisco, New England, Las Vegas, Miami, Portland, Columbus, Cincinnati, Chicago, Vancouver, Edmonton, Toronto, Seattle, Sacramento, Philadelphia, Texas, Denver, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Oman, and Qatar. The company believes that many of these markets set the culinary trends for the rest of the United States, Middle East, and Canada, and provide it with valuable insight into the latest culinary and menu trends. The vast and diverse product portfolio, comprising over 88,000 SKUs, includes gourmet foods and ingredients of the highest grade, quality, or style, such as artisan charcuterie, specialty cheeses, unique oils and vinegars, truffles, caviar, chocolate, and pastry products. The company also offers an extensive line of center-of-the-plate products, including custom-cut beef, seafood, hormone-free poultry, produce, and broadline food products like cooking oils, butter, eggs, milk, and flour. Credit is extended to virtually all of core customers on varying terms, along with a formal credit assessment of all significant new core customers. The Credit and Collections Department regularly evaluates credit terms for each customer, based on several factors like order frequency, average order size, the types of products purchased, and the length of the relationship. Chef's Warehouse sales force is composed of 3 distinct groups: outside sales associates, inside sales associates, and product specialists. Outside sales associates are responsible for identifying sales opportunities, educating customers, and acting as public representatives of the company. Inside sales associates process customer orders and arrange for delivery and payment, while product specialists maintain specialized product knowledge and educate outside sales associates and customers on new products and general developments in specific categories. A significant number of the company's sales professionals have formal culinary training, degrees in the culinary arts, and/or prior experience working in the culinary industry. The company strives to harness this culinary knowledge and passion for food while promoting an entrepreneurial working environment. Sales professionals are afforded flexibility to determine the pricing of individual items for customers within a range of pricing options, and the majority of outside sales professionals are compensated on a commission basis. The company has historically experienced low turnover among its seasoned sales professionals. Chef's Warehouse is highly focused on collaborating with its customers. and educating them on the latest products and broader culinary trends. To ensure that its sales professionals remain on the forefront of new culinary products and trends, the company regularly holds vendor shows at its distribution centers, where its sales force can interact with vendors and learn more about their latest product offerings. Chef's Warehouse maintains strong sourcing relationships with numerous producers of high-quality artisan and regional specialty food products, as well as a wide range of broadline product suppliers, produce, and protein vendors. Its importing arm provides it with access to exclusive items such as regional olive oils, truffles, and charcuterie sourced from Italy, Spain, France, and other Mediterranean countries. Constantly seeking out and evaluating new products to satisfy its customers' desire to be at the forefront of the latest culinary and menu trends. Chef's Warehouse distributes products from more than 4,000 different suppliers and carries multiple products and utilizes multiple suppliers in all of its product categories, thereby eliminating its dependence on any single supplier. It also seeks to limit commodity risk by utilizing sophisticated forecasting and inventory management systems to minimize the inventory carrying time of commodity-oriented products. Operations run out of 49 distribution centers of varying size to provide service 6 days a week in many areas. A fleet of delivery trucks usually fills customer orders within 12 to 24 hours of order placement. Chef's Warehouse has invested significantly in sophisticated warehousing, inventory control, and distribution systems, including wearable inventory scanning devices that enable its warehouse employees to fill orders with greater speed and accuracy and reduce damages and returns. Products are delivered to its distribution centers primarily by contract carriers, the suppliers themselves, and its fleet of trucks. Customer orders are assembled in its distribution centers, sorted, placed on pallets, and loaded onto trucks and trailers in delivery sequence. The majority of trucks and delivery trailers have multiple temperature-controlled compartments that ensure all product is delivered to the customer at its optimal temperature. Advanced routing and logistics planning software maximizes the number of daily deliveries that each of its trucks can make, while enabling it to typically make deliveries within each customer's preferred 2 to 3 hour time window. Over recent years, Chef's Warehouse has made significant investments in distribution, sales, information, and warehouse management systems, including the implementation of a fully integrated enterprise resource planning system. Improvements center on route optimization software and a warehouse management system that integrates with pick-to-voice and directed put-away systems. Sales volume is also increasing through its e-commerce platform by optimizing customers' reorder and product discovery journeys. Chef's Warehouse believes that advancements in search and artificial intelligence will enable it to better predict customer needs, delivering the same level of service online as it does offline. It leverages a reporting and analytics platform that provides its sales team and management with the information required to drive efficiency and growth. Current systems are scalable and can be leveraged together with targeted investments in new technology to provide the fuel to drive profitable growth. For more on Chef's Warehouse and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.